welcome to my video. So I was gonna do a voiceover for this part of the video, but I think I'm gonna just let you watch because sometimes it's just easier that way. So I'm just gonna show you how I prep my hair for the style that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Sorry about the lighting. I have to get better lighting in my bathroom. And I'm also just gonna show you all the products that you're going to need for the preparation part. And then you'll see how we do the rest in the second half of the video. All right, so now I'm just gonna be quiet and let you watch. Enjoy. So I showed you how to wrap the hair. Now, now I'm going to show you how I do the puff. But first I gotta do my face real quick. And then we can get into that. And I gotta do a lip scrub. So we're gonna get into that. 1 second, be right back. All right, so welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I can't even see myself. Welcome to my channel. Or welcome back. Whichever one this is for you. So I already showed you how I prepped my hair for this. We did this. Let me make sure my face is alright, because I just be cutting on the camera and not even checking. Okay, so I showed you how to do this. Now I'm going to show you how to get that cute little texture puff. Like, this is like a really good hairstyle for like when like you don't have nothing else to do. Like when you're in between wash day and in between buns, because I always have buns in my hair. Like, it's so bad that like every time Kaylana draws me, I know it's me because it has a bun. So this is like cute. Like, I don't know how I feel about puffs. Like, sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't like them on me. There was this one time I really did like it. I'll try to insert a picture somewhere. And I was like, oh, that's cute. But then I do it, and then I'm like... Anyway, I'm going to show you how to get a cute textured puff. So if you want to see, then let's go. So I tried to keep this in as long as I could. Usually, I do this before I go to bed, and then it's super dry in the morning. Not super dry. A little dry. Dry enough. 85%, maybe 90. So this I did this morning, and I try to keep it on in all day while I, yeah, it's not all the way dry. While I went and did some errands, and then I sat under the dryer for 30 minutes. It's not dry at all. But hopefully it should still work. But yeah, you want to make sure it's dry. This is not dry at all, but hopefully we should still be good. But I have somewhere to go, so I couldn't leave it in longer. So you can see a little bit of the texture, right? Okay. I have somewhere to be. I have to go to Kaylana's parent-teacher conference today. So that's why I couldn't leave it in longer. And I would choose this day to film this video. Like, why did I wait till tomorrow? Because I want to have it up by tomorrow. And I want to be filming all day and then editing and it'd be late, yada, yada, yada. You get the whole spill. But if this would have been all the way dry, it would have been super bomb. I think Kaylana's here now. But anyway. Oof, yes! This is cute. Yes, Kaylana's here, so you're about to hear some noise. Imagine if this was all the way dry. Like, imagine. 5, 4, 3, 2. So you're gonna put your gel on. So you're gonna need gel. Also, your edge control of your choice. This right now is my favorite edge control. Like, I have bought a small sample, and oh my god, it's everything. And they have scents. Thanks. How was school?
Good.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
You look cute. You cute? Oh, I missed you. I love you. So, you're going to put this gel in. Make it look sleek. So let's hurry up because I gotta get ready to go. So just gel, I just usually put it all in the front because that's where my hair likes to play me the most. Oof, I got all kinds of crumbs and gels and particles coming out of my hair. Did I say crumbs? And then the back as well. Gel it up because this is going to be up. So, once I do that, then I just take the paddle brush and I don't brush it all the way through. I just brush up the part that's going to be sleek or slick down. And then I do the same for the front. Just the part that's going to be slicked down. And then once I do that, then I get the regular brush and just smooth everything. Smooth everything down. And then grab it all together. So make sure it's all slick and everything is smooth. That's what the cotton brush is for. I go back and forth between both. Smooth, smooth, smooth. And then I normally grab it like this, but I find that if you grab it this way, it'll level out more to where the center of your head is. I mean, either way, I just feel real comfortable doing it this way. But let's try to do it this way. And then you're gonna grab your hair tie and put it around your hair. And I usually do it 2 times because it's already twice. Depending on the length of your hair, you're gonna have to shape it to get how you want it. Oh, sorry for all these faces I'm making. This is me in real life. So, I mean, if you have bobby pins, you can pin it, you can shape it how you want, but I usually just manipulate it with my hands and hide pieces that I don't want in the front. And then once you have it how you want it, then this side is playing me. Then you're gonna do your edges. So, boom. So then we're gonna do our edges. Alright, so let's do these edges. Alright, this is how I usually do mine. Let me move this out the way. I usually do this one, swoop. Then this one, swoop. Hair on my face. And then this one. Let's move this out the way for a second. We don't need no extra distractions here. We need the edges to cooperate and mind their manners. I gotta concentrate. Then we move on to this side. Grab some more of this edge control. And then just slick it all back. And boom! Here we are. This is how you get a bomb puff. Hide. Run away. Ooh, run away. This is how you get a cute little puff last minute. You ain't gotta do much. And we are done. Voila. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that these are the type of videos that you want to see. These are the type of videos that I should be filming. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on your notification bell, and then follow me on all of my social media. Thanks. Bye. Peace.